Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best fryers for fish in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cosori-Hot Air Fryers Oven and Oilless Cooker for roasting. Here comes Cosori Air Fryer that brings you the food that is expertly prepared with less or no oil. Cosori Air Fryer for fish is a Max XL 5.8 quart accompanied by a 1700-watt electric hot air fryer oven. It is a perfect cooker that is best for roasting or cooking your food to perfection. Also, it comes up with 11 preset options that let you cook a great variety of food, keeping the food packed up with nutrients. Cherry on top, it's the best air fryer for fish. Furthermore, the non-stick basket is detachable so that you can detach the basket for better cleaning. Also, the non-stick property of the basket lets the cleaning hassle-free. Overall, it's a healthy food providing an option as it produces food with 85% less fat than a deep fryer. The temperature ranges between 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, it cooks the food faster but tastes even more crispy and delicious than a conventional oven. The dimension of the Cosori Air Fryer for fish is 11.8 by 12.6 by 11.7 inches, and it weighs about 16.15 pounds. The display has an LED digital touch screen with 11 preset options. Thus, above all, discussions and features help you to choose better cooking options. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Ninja AF101 4QD Air Fryer with a composition of amazing features is the must-have in your kitchen. For all the fish lovers, it's the best air fryer. Fish, fries, steaks, rice, or anything is now a button away by this amazing air fryer. This air fryer can make less greasy food with all the beneficial health ingredients. Also, the fryer guarantees up to 7-5T free food. The preparation is thus easy and simple with a one-touch control panel. Moreover, the extra-large capacity also accompanies a 4-quart ceramic-coated fitting non-stick basket in the air fryer that could roughly accommodate 2 pounds of fries. For best cooking results, preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes. This Ninja Fish Air Fryer comes up with 4 programmable cooking options, which include air fry, roast, reheat and dehydrate. Air fry is best for a crispy golden texture to fish. You can roast anything by the roast option. Moreover, reheating lets you enjoy hot food, whereas dehydration allows you to enjoy dried food. The temperature ranges between 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit that is suitable for slow cooking dishes to quick meals. Furthermore, all the attachments in the air fryer are dishwasher safe. The Ninja Air Fryer for fish is available in color black with a glass mirror window that allows you to choose the cooking mode. Also, the dimensions are 13.6 by 11 by 13.3 inches, along with 4.9 pounds weight. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ultrean Electric Air Fryer Oven, Oilless Cooker. Ultrean Electric Air Fryer, another best air fryer for fish on our list, is now in the market for making scrumptious oil-less fish for you. Also, Ultrean Air Fryer is a 4.2 quart and 1500W electric air fryer. It cooks oil-less meals for you, accompanies LCD digital screen giving you easy accessibility for further cooking options. Moreover, there is a non-stick frying pot, which makes the cooking experience even more comfortable and fantastic. Furthermore, the Ultrean fryer uses advanced rapid air technology that makes the food moist and tender inside, giving you a fantastic crunchy taste outside. It's easy to handle and operate. You need not be an expert, neither needs a course. The system is time-saving and easy to use. Also, the fryer comes up with the cookbook guide with many easy recipes you can try by using this fantastic fryer. Moreover, Ultrean Air Fryer is the wisest choice to fry oil-less fish lovers. The dimension of the product is 14.2 by 13.2 by 13 inches and weighs about 10.65 pounds. The air fryers fit in on your countertop and serve you the yummy yet scrumptious meal. Also, the air fryer is available in black color. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Big Boss Air Fryer Easy Operation with built-in timer. The air fryer is also another one of the best air fryers for fish. The fact will be proved once you get on your kitchen's countertop. The Big Boss air fryer is not like the other ordinary air fryers, but it's a 16-quart and 1300W air fryer. The air fryer promotes secure handling with a built-in timer. Big Boss Easy Operation Air Fryer prepares your fish and other food with no calories that keeps you fit and healthy. Moreover, the air fryer has an easy-to-use panel, which gives you a perfect meal every time. A timer is given you set time to bake, roast, or flip the food for crisper on every side of the food. Even there are multiple temperatures accompanied. Also, there are food icons available only selected as per the food preparation. Also, it's a dishwasher safe that allows a happy cooking experience with mess-free meals. Furthermore, you can enjoy dry fruits with an air fryer as it has the option to dehydrate the food. So once you get this air fryer, you need not compromise your favorite dishes, you can enjoy your meal with low calories. The product dimension is 16 by 12.5 by 13.5 inches, and it weighs about 14.74 pounds. This fish fryer is available in white color. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Power Air Fryer XL 5.3 quart. Are you a fish lover? Then Power XL is the best air fryer with a 5.3 quart capacity. This Power Air Fryer XL utilizes rapid air technology, which prepares the food, thus making it delicious and tender. Moreover, this extra large air fryer uses the turbo cyclonic air that makes the food, more especially fish, tender and crispy instead of oil. There's a whirlwind of hot air but no oil in which the food is cooked. So, this results in the yummy food. Even your favorite fast food can be prepared in the air fryer without compromising on taste. Moreover, the food remains crispy, with little calories as it has no grease or oil fat. Furthermore, the Power Air Fryer XL has 7 preset options on the digital touch screen. So you are just a touch away from preparing your favorite meal, either it's a fish, steak, fries, pizza, or grilled fish. Also, you have to touch from the preset menu, and the air fryer does the job for you. So what are you waiting for? Just grab this air fryer and get started with a healthy lifestyle. Moreover, you can gift this amazing air fryer to your fitness pal, mother, father, or your best friend. You will surely receive loads of prayer later after introducing this blessing in their life. The dimension of this gloomy air fryer is 15.9 by 14 by 13.8 inches, and it weighs 14.65 pounds. White color is available that perfectly fits on your countertop. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.